Nature has a lot more to it than we pay attention to. While on a kayak tour with Ryan de Jongh, I learned just that. Hi, I'm Shadia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. It's an early morning here at Santa Cruz and I'm about to take a tour with Ryan de Jongh from Clearwater Challenges. I'm excited and a bit sleepy at the same time. Ryan and I met while I was interviewing him for Amigo Express. Ryan has spent countless hours researching the mangroves in Curacao and ended up being the first person to start planting mangroves ever. As soon as I stepped into my kayak, the sleepiness magically disappeared. Going through the mangrove jungle, as I call it, was so exciting. The water is a bit stinky, the mangroves are slightly overgrown, but the view makes up for it. There were even flamingos to be seen. Sadly enough, my camera couldn't capture them. After a brief explanation about mangroves and a quick DIY mud treatment, we continued our journey to enjoy Curaçao's beautiful nature. 60% of all fishes in Curacao lay their eggs in the mangroves. That means that these trees help grow the fish population, which in turn helps to keep the beach waters blue. If the fishes didn't eat all the algae, the beach water would be green. So even though it might not be very attractive to swim near the mangroves, they are there to help the ecosystem. After exiting the mangrove jungle, we continued on to the blue waters of Santa Cruz. That led to the so-called Twin Caves, snorkeling at Santo Preto, and finally the Blue Room. Officially named Boca Fluit in Papiamento, Blue Room is an underwater cave. The name comes from the fact that everything inside reflects blue. It is such a unique natural beauty, a place that definitely should not be missed on a Curacao vacation. More on that on the blog. Aside from the Ryan de Jongh tour at Santa Cruz, I also joined him for a tour at Piscadera Bay. It is the same great tour but completely different. At Piscadera Bay, I got to see the world's first mangrove plantation. It is going so well that it will be completely closed off sometime soon. Luckily, Ryan is already working on a new plantation, as seen here. To find out more about it, you will have to do the tour yourself. Kayaking at Santa Cruz was definitely my favorite spot to kayak ever. Where has been your favorite kayak spot? Want more great videos? Don't forget to subscribe.